was a girl writing a comment on one of my edits. Couldn't find it again, but we are so tired of your face, Mathias. Where is your wife? Where is your daughter? And today, it's a Sunday, almost a normal day, and they will be a part of this vlog. Welcome to new edit. Getting a new family member today. Kan han si woof? Woof! Woof! You like being a dog? Woof! Our daily life is definitely changing today. We're getting a dog! Yay! We ordered it 4 weeks ago and it's arriving mid-on today. We're pretty excited. This is definitely changing our daily lives. Get ready to be up in the night again. We have reached the store, Buena Vista Pet Shop. The dog is from Java, arrived mid-on today. That's the dog! That's the one! I think we're calling her Bali. Look at this small one. Woof, woof. Okay. The dog. Look at her. Huh? Hi. Hi. Oh. And there it begins. Having a dog sleeping on my couch definitely give me some grown-up points, I think. Feel like I'm starting to get old when I'm having a dog, wife, a kid. Life is very beautiful. Have to say that. Going to show you another daily life project I have. I'm building a huge bird cage. I have 8 birds now, and the plan is to make a big cage for all of them. My bird cage is going to be quite big actually, 2.5 meters high on one side, 3.5 meters on the other side, 2 meters long, 1.5 meters wide. So this is quite a huge bird cage, so I'm looking forward to this is done. It's only 2 weeks now till the traveling starts that I mentioned in the last vlog, and that's the main thing why I started this YouTube channel, traveling edits, vlogs. But of course life is full of normal days at home, and this is a normal Sunday. You don't buy a dog every day, but buying a dog, walking with the family, building a bird cage, it's a nice Sunday. So thank you for watching this normal daily lives edit, and I'll see you on the next one.